A routine traffic stop spirals out of control. A suspect refuses to comply, and moments later, multiple officers are left injured and bleeding. Body cam footage captures every second.
Delta 3 to see by the RO of the correct vehicle is a 30-year-old female.
We're going southbound on Boulevard. Slow speeds. Stop pulling over. Southbound on Boulevard, speeds 50 miles per hour, traffic's light, still not stopping.
You're clear to pursue. Traffic conditions, weather conditions.
Still south on Boulevard, passing Jefferson, traffic's light, weather conditions good.
Received. We have a county alert. Your vehicle speeding at?
Vehicle speed at 45. Just past the burning place, still south on Boulevard. Traffic still light. Left onto A-Lift.
Boulevard passing Vernon.
Left onto A-Lift. Ran the stop sign of A-Lift in Florida. Speed's 40.
Speed's 40, traffic's light, weather's fine. Received, you're clear to pursue.
It begins with a silver Nissan flagged by automated license readers. Officers move in calmly, unaware this stop is about to turn violent. Commands are given. The suspect hesitates. Tension fills the air.
Copy. Crazy court. Suspect bailed from the vehicle. All units respond to that area.
10-1, vehicle still in pursuit. Right onto Central, going northbound.
Received, still in pursuit.
Okay, we're going northbound on Central. Just past Connecticut. Traffic's picking up. Right left onto March again.
Crazy court. Suspect bailed from the vehicle. All units respond to that area.
We're northbound on Rollway. Speed's approximately 50. Traffic's picking up. Still not stopping.
Received, northbound on Rollway. Speed 50. Still clear to continue.
Right onto North Wickham.
Received, onto North Wickham.
Right onto Democracy Way, traffic's light, speed approximately 25.
Received. Have some more units in that area, please. 302 on what? 2 will be going out by here momentarily. 312 in real.
Coming up on Norwood, left onto Norwood.
In an instant, the suspect resists. He pulls away, slams the door, and begins fighting officers at close range. The struggle intensifies, arms flailing, bodies colliding against the vehicle. One officer suffers a deep cut. Another is struck repeatedly. Blood is visible, both on uniforms and the pavement. Despite injuries, officers continue the effort to gain control. After a prolonged struggle, officers finally restrain the suspect. He's placed in handcuffs and secured.
North of the Garland, approaching center.
Don't let